Well, this kit review is of the Razor Crest. This is from the Mandalorian show, and this is by Bandai Models. They usually produce really high quality kits. This is obviously very small kits, but their molding is just incredible. Often doesn't require glue. Yeah, it says no glue required. I like to glue it together because I don't want to be able to take it apart. And comes with a stand and some decals or stickers. So hopefully it's not stickers, hopefully it's decals. Often they provide both. Let's have a look inside. So it looks like they are just stickers, no decals. Here's our stand. Pretty standard looking. That part goes in there. And we've got sides over here, nicely molded. It's slightly different to what they normally use, the type of plastic. And this looks like this is probably the bottom. And then we've got some of the body panels here. Here's our cockpit, all very nicely molded, and these tabs usually fit perfectly. We've got our engines and exhausts over here, and then this is the top. We've got some guns here, and then our stickers. Unfortunately, they are not decals. But here are the instructions. They're on the inside of the box, and that's for Japanese customers only. Those are the colors recommended there. So for the body, silver and white with a bit of clear and black, and then black body, metal black. So here are the instructions, putting the body together, and then putting the cockpit on there, building our engines there and there, mounting the engines and our guns, and then putting it on the stand. So very simple little model. It should be a fun little build.